Bullish Cardano cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.79 and $3.89 by 2030. Market investigators accept ADA could reach $1.79 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2022 is 31 cents. Cardano presentation. The cryptographic money market is duplicating continuously. Nonetheless, staying aware of this quick-moving industry is certainly not a simple errand. Subsequently, numerous financial backers and merchants who need to exploit the market to create huge gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for an intensive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's on the horizon for Cardano on the off chance that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. However, remember that assuming you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a steady undertaking that calls for both persistence and exploration. We should plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin checks out for you. What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive shrewd agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component, in which holders of the cash are accused of confirming exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital money trades permit you to take part in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to produce pay. Cardano's attention on peer-audited information and proof-based approaches in its advancement separates it from other digital currencies. Most of the cryptographic money market goes quick, yet Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and deliberately. The benefit is that it improves designers' probability of recognizing possible dangers. Cardano's specialized examination. Albeit a ton of hypothesis is engaged with estimating development for Cardano and the bigger digital currency market, there are a few expected significant movers for Cardano not too far off. You can follow an unmistakable and truth-put-together perspective with respect to your exchanging-related choices through specialized investigation. Following are probably the most utilized specialized pointers, moving midpoints. This particular pointer is constructed utilizing Cardano costs acquired from before information. Utilizing moving midpoints, dealers can decide how the cost of Cardano has changed after some time and where it is moving in view of the data within reach. Relative strength list. This is the outline to check to decide if Cardano has been overbought or oversold. You can utilize the overall strength list to decide the market's tone and contribute or sell in like manner. For instance, a looming downturn is normally anticipated by a cost increment and an overbought signal, while a cost drop and an oversold signal foresee an approaching cost gain. Moving normal assembly dissimilarity. Moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, or MACD, alludes to contrasting a 26 and 12 period outstanding moving normal. A solid pointer tells you when brokers are changing from buying to selling Cardano as well as the other way around. Major examination. Cardano's particular incentive is its verifiable strength. They aren't planning to catch the whole market for brilliant agreements and dApps. All things considered, they focus on building a serviceable decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer arrangement keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable regarding innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the figure part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Additionally, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably dealing with the venture. Because of these critical quantities of designers, the coin is probably going to surpass Ethereum in market predominance and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. As the organization's power increments with decentralization and the ADA token stock is set at 45 billion, there are expected benefits for financial backers to buy, keep, and stake ADA tokens. Cardano current cost. Cardano is right now worth 39 cents USD. ADA has moved 0.45% as of now with an exchanging volume of $293,899,793. Cardano is right now positioned 208 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $14,512,716,415 USD. Cardano value expectation 2022. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 59 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 55 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 47 cents. Cardano value forecast 2023. In 2023, Cardano ADA cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 99 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ADA's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 79 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 87 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.39 and ADA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.27 and a low of $1.19 in 2024. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Cardano effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2025. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.79, with a base cost of $1.59 and a typical cost of $1.67. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.06 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.98 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ADA has a greatest value worth of $2.18. Cardano Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.46. In the event that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.58. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.38. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $2.78 and a yearly cost close above $2.98 in 2028. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Cardano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $3.17 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.37, averaging out at $3.25. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across